JV, pagmahal na anak, responsable, maasahan, at maraming pagmamahal na naibibigay. It's my destiny.
I was searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I tend to get. Won't rest until I make it right. Couldn't stand the thought of losing her before time had come.
Bali kasi si Shirley, si
Like a
May,
storm I raged at night.
very ano siya
In the dark I came undone.
tawag dito, appreciative na tao.
Oh, this house with my own two hands, so you can make it out. So you can make it out. Now I know you're all I have. So like a rose in a riverbed.
Nung birthday ko sa US, naggawa siya ng surprise video compilation ng mga birthday messages ng mga mahal ko sa buhay. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Mahilig siya sa ganun mahilig siya magbigay ng surprise.
Valentine's Day yon. Birthday niya yun, Valentine's Day rin. Parang 1 month pa lang kami, or less than a month. And then, nag-surprise siya dun sa restaurant kung saan kami nagpunta na may binigay siyang ring. Bonding ring lang namin. May acoustic band that time. Pinakanta niya yung Perfect ni Ed Sheeran.
Shirley, tinatanggap mo ba si John Vincent bilang iyong asawa? Alinsunod sa batas at relihiyon? John Vincent, tinatanggap mo ba si Shirley bilang iyong asawa? Alinsunod sa batas at relihiyon?
Opo, Mayor.
Kung gayon kayo ay magsasama bilang mag-asawa sa hirap at ginhawa ng buong katapatan at sa biyaya ng Diyos at sa paspas ng batas, kayo ay magsasama at hindi kailanman maghihiwalay. Tulad ng sinabi, anumang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghihiwalayin ng sinumang tao.
The day is ours if we just take it. There's no reason we should waste it.
Shirley, me, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa akin, sa pangunawa. Ngayong kasal na tayo, sana lahat ng mga pangarap natin bilang mag-asawa ay matupad.
Think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way.
B, welcome to our new journey together. This is it. The start of our forever. And I promise to be a good wife to you. And we will work, both of us will work for this relationship. And we will strive hard to keep the love alive. Nandito lang ako para intindihin at unawain ka lagi. At mamahalin kita habang buhay.
I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like